Hi friends, this week we're going to be working with a Scholastic article called Brain Freeze. And while you're reading today, I want you to think about if this has ever happened to you, because your assignment today is to draw a picture and write a sentence to tell me about a time that maybe you've ever had a brain freeze. And if you've never had a brain freeze before, then let's read about what causes a brain freeze, and you guys will have other options of things to write about. So it's called Brain Freeze. It is a hot summer day. You take a big bite from a cold ice pop and ouch, you get brain freeze. Has this ever happened to you? Ice pops, ice pops. As you read, think about how ice pops are made. Ice pops can give you brain freeze, but kids still love these icy treats. Did you know you can make ice pops at home? You can. You can make fruit pops, juice pops, or chicken noodle soup pops. Making ice pops is easy. You can freeze any liquid into a solid ice pop. Ice pops can be any flavor, size, or shape you choose. We'll show you how to make them. And remember, eat your ice pop quickly before it melts and hope you don't get a brain freeze. How can you make an ice pop? Step 1. Blend. First, get fruit and a little juice or milk. Blend it all together. Step 2. Then pour it into the molds. Put an ice pop stick into each mold. Step 3. Next, put the models in the freezer. Let them freeze for 5 hours. Step 4. Eat. Finally, take the molds out of the freezer. Pull out an ice pop and eat it. Hot tip. If it is hard to get your ice pop out of the mold, try this. Put the molds in a bowl of hot water and count to 5. Then take the molds out of the water. And there's a little activity on the back that we will work on another day. So today I just want you to think about, have you ever had a brain freeze? What do you think causes a brain freeze? Seems like when you eat or drink something too cold too fast, that's what gives you a brain freeze. Have you ever had a popsicle or a cold drink that gave you a brain freeze? If you have, I want you to write a sentence and draw a picture to tell me about your brain freeze. How did it feel? What caused your brain freeze? If you have never had a brain freeze before, then how about you just do any kind of free writing prompt? You can write about anything you want. You could tell me about your favorite type of cold treat. Maybe you like ice cream or popsicles, or maybe you like some type of cold drink. Maybe you like drinking ice cold water or juice. So you can write about a time that you've had a brain freeze and draw a picture to match your sentence, or you can write about your favorite ice cold treat, since it is getting close to summertime and it's so hot and those nice cold things help to cool us down.